Hello everybody, and welcome back to Curiosity Corner. My name is Jared, your friendly science Viking, and today we talked about helices and how they could be integrated into your marble run. So, I had a great question during the live stream that I wasn't able to address, but I had a few minutes, so I'm going to address it now. The question was, how in the world did I make this? Well, the short answer is with paper and a lot of time-consuming annoyance. Shorter answer, I tried just cutting out a spiral because that's what this is. Our screw is a spiral. So I thought I'd just cut one out. Unfortunately, when I did that, it wasn't the same, the top and the bottom. The bottom is much thinner, it's much smaller around than it is up top. Let's say there we go. Yeah, kind of like that. So it didn't work when I tried to wrap it around my tube. So instead, what I did was I made a donut. I cut out the middle and the outside, obviously. And I did this like about 4 or 5 times and then taped these edges to the next one. Just like this. Almost like that. There it is, like this. So it connects one to the next, all the way up. And that's how I made our threads. So, you can try that at home. Now, I promised you during the live stream, I was going to show you something cool. And I, hopefully, will not disappoint. So, I mentioned our Archimedes screw, which is this guy, could be used as a ramp, as a spiral ramp. You start here, and it should, come on, roll all the way to the bottom. But actually, that's not what the Archimedes screw does. It's much more exciting. There we go. So I cut a hole right here, right on the side here. We're going to drop our marble in. And I'm going to hold this at an angle. The angle is important. I'll explain why in a minute. And now we're going to twist our screw. If we twist one way, we see our threads go down. We don't want that. We're going to twist the other way. It looks like our threads are going up. If we look very closely as I'm spinning, my threads pull my marble up and through the bottle. See what's happening? Give it down there. There we go. Is as this turns, our marble follows the thread. It follows our spiral. So as it twists, oh, you can't see that. There we go. As it twists, as it turns, and gets stuck on duct tape, it's pulling my marble up and free. Now, why can't we just do it vertically? Well, we can't overcome gravity that way. See, my marble's all the way, block with tape again. All the way down at the bottom. So when we spin, the wrong way. It won't roll up our threads. It just keeps rolling down to the bottom because of the angle that our screw is set at. But if we tilt it and drop the marble, that was part of the point. Each thread helps pull our marble up towards the opening. All right, so how can you implement that in your marble run? I don't know, should be exciting. But that's our show for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure that you come back tomorrow where we'll be having a very special, the anniversary of Apollo 13. So make sure you join us tomorrow at 10:30. Like our videos, like all of our videos, learn about science. Subscribe to our channel. We post new content every day at 10:30 and 3 o'clock. I think that's everything for today. So until next time, have fun, be safe, and as always, stay curious.